wonder what else you can use cabbage for aside coleslaw, cooking, jollof rice, and others. Okay, hello guys, it's your girl Real Betty B. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, special welcome, and if you are yet to subscribe, please do well to subscribe. In this video I'll be showing you how to make cabbage sauce. Yes, you heard me right, cabbage sauce. So guys, let's dive in order to achieve this delicious cabbage sauce, let me introduce the recipes to you. Here, sunflower oil, some salt to taste, cabbage, the major recipe, zucchini, I'll be using half, onions, garlic, mackerel for that wonderful taste, eggplant, I already cut the end of it, sweet pepper, tuna, and lastly my all-time spices, which are garlic, ginger, curry, thyme, black pepper, turmeric, beef flavor, bouillon cube. So guys, come along with me. garlic, pepper, and here zucchini, cabbage, and eggplant soaking in salty water, just a little salt to soak it before the cooking begins. You soak for about 5 minutes or so. You pour in some oil, and this is it. Once the oil is heated, you put in the fish. Spicy. Here we are. Ooh. The aroma is something else. That's it. Cabbage sauce is ready. Serve with rice, potatoes, yam, and many more. Enjoy. Please try this at home and give me a feedback. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, see you.